Right, we've got another e-bike to review. Very, very excited. For this review, I'm going to need a camera woman. Camera woman, come here, come here. Got myself a beautiful camera woman for behind the scenes, and if you hear any voices in the background, it's going to be Mazzy. Very excited about this. Now, we've both got an electric bike as it is, but ours are small fold-up city bikes. This is more like a mountain bike. It doesn't fold, it's just a beast of a fantastic electric bike. It's by EleGlide and it's called an M1 Plus. There was an M1 and then they brought out the Plus version, which they've changed a few things to make it even better. So, watched a few reviews on this. Somebody who knows a lot about bikes, it took him an hour and a half to build it. So me, knowing nothing about bikes, I reckon I could be here until next Wednesday. So first things first, let's get everything out of the box. It's massive, it's a massive box. Come and see how well packed it is, Mazzy. Look at this.
It's a big box.
It is a huge box.
Oh, that's packed marvellously, isn't it?
I really was expecting it to be a fold-up bike. I didn't know which bike they were sending me.
Yeah.
They just said they were going to send an electric bike. So it's turned up and it's all in like one piece. One of the wheels is off, I can see that. You've got tools in here. I'm just going to rip it all out, see what we've got, take it from there, if I can. Like Christmas Day.
Oh, that looks well smart.
Right, what have we got in here? More boxes. That'll do. Let's get this out of the way. One bike. Let's cut the straps. Oh, this is going to take me all day. Beautiful. There, all unpacked. Let's get rid of the rubbish. So we've got the bike out, we've got all the packaging out of the way. 2 boxes. I'm hoping there's some instructions in here, because I really don't know what I'm doing. I've noticed it's got, is it Shimano gears on it? They're like top of the range, aren't they? I don't know much about bikes, but I've heard of them.
Okay.
What have we got in it? Okay, this looks like the power adapter. Yes.
That's an easy peasy box.
Please have instructions in here. Oh, we're in trouble. Pedals.
Yay, I see paperwork.
Pedals. Paperwork. Lights. Reflectors.
Yep.
Handlebars.
Oh.
And the cutest little spanner I've ever seen in my life.
Aww.
Okay.
So not too much accessories really, is there?
No. Right, I'm going to read this properly because I've never built a bike up before and I want to do it properly. Come back to me, yeah? Right, job number 1, step number 1 in the instructions. put the wheel on. To do that, get the spanner. I need to undo this. This is just to protect it in the packaging, I think. So this should just come off. There we go. Don't need you. Stick the wheel in. You're meant to have this stood up, but I was struggling on my own to do it stood up, so that will slot in here.
Do you know which way to have the wheel? Like, does that bit have to be on the underside? The other one's on the underside.
So first mistake I made, this metal plate we think has to go to the other side because it's on the other side on the back wheel. So turned it around, slot this in.
And it slots then into your gear bit, doesn't it?
Alright, tighten this, see that little blip there, that's going in, that's it.
Got it?
Beautiful. So I'll just hand tighten that and turn it over. It's starting to look like a bike now.
You forgot to time yourself.
Oh yeah.
You said the professional himself took an hour and a half.
Oh dear. As you can tell, I've never done this before. I've never ever taken a wheel off a bike, ever. Not even a kid's bike. There, the wheel is on, hand tight. That's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere. We have a two-wheeled bike, Mazzy.
Woohoo! It's looking nice, isn't it?
With a stand. Now we can work on it, hands free. Handlebars. They're going in here, so I need to just take this off, put it in position and put this back on, I'm guessing. Just leave that there. Pick up the handlebars. That's upside down. Is it? I don't even know which way it goes. That's how rubbish I am with a bike. Right, it's the wrong way around. So we slot this in here. Spin that back around, hopefully. No, I'm going to have to take it off fully. Just give me a second. Let's get a couple more clips back in. And then we can adjust it.
With the help of your assistant.
With the help of my lovely camera woman, stroke handlebar holder on her.
This is going well, you're doing really well.
Well, I've got a wheel on and nearly some handlebars, Mazzy, which has shocked me already.
So this is an 18 size, it says.
An 18?
Yeah. Does that mean like it's for a grown man?
It doesn't mean anything to me at the moment. I'm going to go into specs probably in a different video.
Right, okay, yeah.
But what I will say is this bike is for someone who is between 5'4" and 6'4". Because I've read that.
So that brings into the size then, doesn't it?
Yeah. So we've got the handlebars central, we've tightened up the nuts there. Next job, oh, we've just found out, by the way. Up to me, Mazzy, up to me. It's got a bell. It's got a bell. So, yeah, I need to get all this in position, but the first thing I'm guessing I need to align the wheel so that it is dead straight with the handlebars and the frame. So I need to line that up, and I'm guessing it's this here. I need a bigger Allen key.
You've got 4 in there. That's good you get all your tools you need. Quite impressed with that.
That's the one. Is that in line? It's looking liney.
Looking. Yeah.
Right, that's as tight as I can go. Let me just not sit on it because we haven't got a seat, but hey.
Let me have a look from the front.
It might be a millimetre out, but you know, for now, I'm happy. Yeah. Right, a bit confused with these. Let me just get the other one. It says in the instructions, we're trying to put this on, you see, which is like your throttle. Yeah?
Yeah.
And it says, loosen the 2 screws on the left or right handle to remove the original handle case. Now, I can't see any screws on there. Been trying to get this handle off and I've managed to like peel it off. It's actually peeling off. It's the only way I can see to get this off.
Yay.
It has come off. Whether that's what it meant, I don't know.
Don't know.
Hopefully this will just... Oh yeah. Right, that's going on there, Mazzy.
Yeah.
And in the end here you have got a little Allen key, I think, which I'm hoping...
Is there someone down there?
I can't see, so I'm hoping if I get the right Allen key, I can just... Is that going to tighten on? Something seems to be happening.
Is it?
It feels like it's aluming. Is it Allen or alum? Allen.
Alan. I call him Alan. I don't know.
So this Allen key has worked. Allen key. Allen key. I've said Allen all my life. Sorry. Allen key has worked. Tighten that as much as I can, and now we have a throttle on there, I think. There we go.
Yay!
I think. Okay, I need to put the other one on now.
It's a shame because these are nice grippy handles, aren't they? Do you keep them for what?
I don't know, I think it's something to do with the cunt. I don't know if this is to do with... I don't know.
You don't know?
Why doesn't it come with these already on?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why are we having to change them over? I'm not sure. Maybe it's for a more expensive model and a cheaper model.
Do you want your other one then?
Yes, please. Ta. Right, I do have to say the instructions, the paperwork instructions, they're a little bit vague. There isn't enough pictures to show you exactly what to do. But if you go online and type it in, there's more advanced instructions. So what I found out, Mazzy,
Yeah.
I've been trying to find out where this goes.
That's the throttle cable, yeah?
Your throttle control cable, yeah.
Yeah.
And reading the online instructions, what you have to do is through here. Is it here? You actually have to pull it out. Is it in there? Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Take that clip off there. That's where it goes.
Oh, I see.
So I'm now going to attach that.
Do you need to wrap this one round because it looks a bit
No, I
loose?
think it'll just push back in.
Oh, that's smart.
You've got a hole in the frame, so I'm just going to push it all the way back
Yeah.
in. I think. I hope.
And must I just say that you're looking very suave in your new cycle glasses as well.
Thank you very much. I'm struggling at the moment. I'm burning because it's hot. My head's burning, so I'm putting them on my head to protect my head. And I've got hay fever coming, so
Yeah.
I'm trying to rush this because I've just had a hay fever tablet and it's going to knock me out in a minute.
So that poked down there okay then, did it?
Yeah, that seems fine
Yeah.
now. That seems fine.
Getting there.
So my next job is the light at the front here.
Oh, easy peasy.
So it doesn't say what screw to use or anything, so I've just found this in the box of bits,
Yeah.
which does fit, so I'm just going to use this. I'm guessing it goes straight into the mud flap there. So I found the right Allen key. I'm guessing it just goes like that. Tighten it up to the
Does
mud
it have a
guard.
nut on the back?
It has no at the back, no, because you have got a screw thread inside the actual mud guard.
Oh, so that's tight then.
So
yeah.
that's tight into the mud guard, yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
So we now have a light, which has a cable coming off it, so it's all automatic. You don't need any batteries for it. It's all part of the bike battery. Excellent. We're getting there slowly.
You
We still
are.
haven't got a seat yet, I've noticed.
Oh, yeah.
Pedals. Should be straightforward. It says left and right on it. I'm guessing the left is on the left hand side of the bike as you sat on it, so that must just screw in there. There we are. Screw that all the way in and then just tighten it with the spanner which they provide. Luckily, because I wouldn't have all these tools. There we go. One pedal. Next, I'll just do the other side. We can finally have a seat, Mazzy. I've been wanting to sit down for the last hour.
Yeah.
This should be straightforward, surely. Just release that, put the seat on, get it to the required height, and clip it back. As simple as that. I'd say I'm comfortable at that. Most people would have it a tiny bit higher. I think you're supposed to be able to just stand up and the seat just...
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it just a tiny bit down. Feel like I'm in more control, you know, when you're stuck at traffic lights and things like that. That is it, pretty much built now. The only other bits, this is what I'm saying, in the instructions it doesn't even tell you how to do these bits. I don't even know what that is.
I'd say, like, is it a bottle
I think it goes
holder?
at the back there or something to protect your gears, I'm not sure. But I'm just going to have to work these bits out for myself. Right, what, red at the back is it?
Red at the back.
So there's the back reflector on. Just got these two to put on now. Again, I've had to watch other people's videos to see how they put these on, because I really wasn't sure. But I think it's something like... No, we'll get there. Something like that. Push it up and then there's a little clip which goes through there. Please go through there. There we are. No, there we are. Input.
Yep. Oh. You broke it. Never mind, you got another one. Oh dear.
And here is one I did earlier. I'll tell you what I did wrong. I was putting the clip through this side instead of the other side. So the other one's going to have to be super glued and then put back together.
Easily
Fingers
replaced
crossed.
anyway, aren't they?
And then this is just to keep, I think it's just to keep your, what's this, your gear cable away from your gears. So I think this just goes in there like that. We have got 2 screws left. In fact, we've got 3 screws left.
Have we?
Yeah. The other one is just for special occasions. Oh, come on, you've always got to have a screw left over, Mazzy.
Wow. There is actually a screw hole left over though, isn't there?
In fact, there is up here.
Yeah, which looks like it must have been a mud guard.
But there isn't a mudguard in the pack.
Have you definitely searched the box?
Yeah. Is that a screw hole or just...
I
No,
think it is.
I think it's just a hole, Mazzy.
It's for a mud guard.
It is for a mudguard, but I don't think there's a mudguard come in the pack. Right, so there you are. That is how to build, badly, the EleGlide. What's it called again, Mazzy? M1 Plus.
Yeah, that's one.
M1 Plus. So the difference between this and the M1, I believe the wheel size is slightly bigger. The handlebars are slightly longer. I'm not going into the specs on this. I think it's got 21 gears. I haven't read into it, to be honest with you, yet. I think it's got 21 gears. It's got a lovely bell.
Gears. You said gears.
Gears. Lovely bell. It is fully powered, so we're ready to go, but I want to read all about it, get my specs right and show all that in a separate video, and we'll be testing this baby out. What do you think, Mazzy?
Lovely, it's very stylish.
It is beautiful.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Very, very pleased with this.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything about it. So looking forward to testing this out probably tomorrow. Shall we take this out?
Yay!
See what it can do. I believe it'll go 100 kilometres, which what's that, 60 miles? If you have it unassisted. If you have it fully assisted electric mode, it'll do 50 kilometres. So there you have it, coming up very, very soon is another video showing this baby in action. See you all later. Bye bye.
On your bike.